Hi guys, my name is Aura and today I'm gonna react to Stray Kids. I'm so excited because I've been watching like everything they've been releasing, of course, and it looks so good, so refreshing, so like new, like Backdoor and God's Menu, but better. And it really freaks me out that they keep doing better and better and better, and oh my god, wow. Oh my god, yeah. Oh my god, Tang. The camera changing. Yeah, King. Those vocals, yes. Christopher Van Tang. Oh my god, I'm shaking. Oh my god, you fine ass man. Oh my god. Dirty. Oh my god. Felix. Oh my. Oh wait. Oh no. Wait. Okay. Oh my god. You're kidding me. Felix. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. Daddy. Oh my god. I love you so much. Oh! Mino! Oh my! Yes. Oh my god, wait. Wait, because I was not ready for that. Oh, wait. Mino is killing this. Mino is killing this. Mino and Felix, like, ooh. Yes! Wow! The transitions, oh my god! Wow. Stray Kids everywhere, all around the world. I love you. Wow. No. I need to watch this again. I have no. Wait. Oh my god. Again. Wow. Come back. Wow. Hyunjin. Looks fine as fuck. Christopher Van Tine. Wow. You nasty as fuck. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. Dirty. Wow. Look at Hyunjin. Feel it. I can't stop looking at Hyunjin. Wow. 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 Baby, I love you. Vocals. Wow. That was amazing. That chorus. Wow, the dance. You're fine as man, I love you so much. Nino. Wow. Look at it. My baby. Those are my babies. That's the nastiest, dirtiest thing I ever seen. Wow. It just amazes me how they keep getting better and better and better. Like I thought after God's Menu they can overdo themselves, like they can get better, but they did. Backdoor, and now this. Minon Felix. I could cry right now. Minon and Felix. They deserve it so much. They had so much stuff in this song and they deserve it so much. So I'm really happy. I wish I could see Hyunjin more because he's my bias, so I'm selfish. But they all look amazing. Like every single one of them. Chanbin and Hyunjin, period. Wow. Christopher Van Tang, you're a genius. A genius. Sungmin and Jongin, vocals. And Hansi-san, you're an ace. I said it. I said what I said. Hansi-san is an ace. He does everything. He dances, he raps, he sings. He can't get better. He can't. It was amazing. This is a song. This is a comeback. Oh, that was amazing. Dance, the rap, the singing, the chorus, the whatever, the middle part. I can't genuinely wait for my album to arrive because I want it. I love them so much. I'm so proud of them. Give Stray Kids a lot of love. And see ya.